Hello, I'm Augustus, and today I'll show you how to set up Oxylabs proxies in Selenium using Python. Selenium is a tool that helps automate web browser interactions. Even if Selenium is primarily used for website testing, it can also help locate required public data on websites, making it a good choice for web scraping. Before starting, make sure that you're using Python version 3.5 or above. First, let's set up Selenium. Using the default Selenium module for implementing proxies that require authentication makes the process complicated. For convenience, install Selenium Wire to extend Selenium's Python bindings. You can do it by using the PAP command. Next, install Webdriver Manager. It simplifies the management of binary drivers for different browsers. In this case, there is no need to manually download a new version of a WebDriver after each update. Then, import all the necessary dependencies. Now, create three variables: username, password, and endpoint. These variables will store the proxy credentials. For Oxylabs proxies to function, you'll have to specify your account credentials. Fill in the username and password fields with the same credentials you used to create a new proxy subuser in the Oxylabs dashboard. For Oxylabs residential proxies, specify endpoint using pr.oxylabs.io as an address along with 777 as a port. You can also use our dedicated and shared Datacenter proxies by specifying different addresses and endpoints. For more proxy configuration details, check our documentation by clicking on a pop-up in the top right corner or by following the links in the video description below. To confirm successful proxy integration, visit ip.oxylabs.io or a similar site that shows your IP along with associated details such as location. If everything is functioning as intended, you should see a new IP address. Now create a new function, set up Chrome proxy. This function creates proxy configurations for Selenium Wire using username, password, and endpoint. It will return a dictionary containing proxy config. Next, define another function, getIP via Chrome. This function uses Selenium WebDriver to open a Chrome browser and navigate to ip.oxylabs.io. Note that headless is set to true to make the browser invisible to the end user. This function uses the Chrome Driver Manager to install necessary drivers automatically. Lastly, let's write the main block. Call the functions that were defined earlier and print the output. If you execute this code now, you will see the proxy IP address. If you get an error, double-check your proxy credentials and make sure they are correct. And that is it. Here's the full code for the whole process. All the links to the packages mentioned in this tutorial are in the video description below. If you have questions about proxy integration or related topics, email us or simply leave a comment below. To see more content like this, press the subscribe button as well as like and share this video on your social media. Thank you for tuning in. This was Oxylabs and I hope to see you next time.